Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of AI and how you can leverage it to make money online in 2024. That's right, forget the 9-to-5 grind. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is booming, and it's expected to be an $83 trillion market by 2032. Don't miss out. The earlier you jump in, the better. We'll be using a powerful AI tool called Rask AI. It translates videos into various languages, perfect for reaching new audiences. Let's take a quick look at how Rask AI operates. Imagine you've just uploaded a video and now you want to translate it. With Rask AI, it's as simple as a few clicks. Not only that, but you can also convert your videos into text, and even use text-to-speech features to create a more accessible content experience. Here are 3 exciting ways to turn Rask AI into your income machine. First, become a video translation freelancer. Find English YouTubers who are eager to reach a broader audience and offer your translation services using Rask AI to create foreign versions of their videos. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients. Next, start your own video translation service. Create a website or online presence to showcase your video translation services using Rask AI. Target YouTubers or businesses looking to expand their reach globally. Lastly, become a Rask AI affiliate. Promote Rask AI through YouTube tutorials or social media posts, and earn a commission for every person who signs up through your unique affiliate link. Oh, and don't forget to become a Rask AI master by joining the online community for more ideas and support. Ready to start your AI-powered income journey? Try Rask AI's free trial today. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more.